In this guide, you will learn how to fix iPhone gets stuck on the setup screen, especially the part where it says transfer your apps and data and it does not seem to move forward. This can happen for a few different reasons, where the first and easiest thing I recommend trying is force restart. To do this, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button until your iPhone fully restarts. This is often enough to fix the issue and is the first thing you should try. If this does not work, another option is to skip as many setup as possible. During the setup process, choose to skip transferring apps and data, skip wireless connections, and skip any optional setup screens. The goal is to get to the main iPhone home screen first, and you can always complete the setup later once the phone is working properly. Another thing you can try is plugging your iPhone into its charger while setting it up, as this can sometimes help the transfer or setup process complete correctly. These are the main steps that usually fix an iPhone stuck on the setup screen. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.